Step 1. Open the box. Take out the lower dashboard guard panel and all its parts and lay them out neatly. Step 2. Follow the video to remove the original driver's side screws. Fit the hole of the wavy connection bracket over the corresponding bolt on the vehicle and tighten with a nut to secure it. Step 3. Confirm the position of the Z-shaped bracket. Align its top hole with the matching hole in the vehicle. Then insert the original screw and tighten to fix it. Locate the single hole L bracket and clip its upper part into the corresponding position on the vehicle. Step 4. Confirm the position of the driver's guard panel. Align the holes on the guard panel with the holes below the free supports. Assemble the washers and bolts. Insert them into the holes and tighten to secure the lower guard panel. Step 5. Follow the video to remove the original passenger side screws. Place the left short, double-hole L-shaped bracket. Align its top hole with the vehicle's hole. Tighten the bracket nut to secure it. Position and secure the right long, double-hole L-shaped bracket in the same way. Step 6. Confirm the position of the passenger's guard panel. Align the holes on the guard panel with the holes below the double hole L-shaped bracket. Insert the assembled bolts and then tighten and fix them.